Lots of really nice roots in here. It really goes without saying you only repot at the right time of year, and you only repot when absolutely necessary. And it was necessary to take it out of the plastic pot because it wasn't very attractive. And we do have that beautiful Derek Aspinall pot, which I'm going to be putting the tree into. So there's the copper wire, the last bit of it. There we go. That's the final piece. And we can see very nice open soil mixture. There's no real sort of solid mountain soil in here, I don't think. I think this is very much, when it was collected in Croatia, it was potted up in this very nice open soil mixture. So it's certainly made my job easier. So what I need to do now is get rid of this soil. I'll come back to you in a moment with this soil removed, and then we can take a good look at the root ball. As you can see, there's really lots of great root here. I'm actually going to take some of this off here because there's more than enough. We want this to sit well into the pot, and this going into new soil. There we go. See, we don't really need this. There's more than enough soil here. Sorry, there's more than enough roots on this. Okay, there we go. I think that's fine. We don't need to take any more off than that. There's a strange root that comes across the front of the tree here, which I don't like, but I think it's pretty essential. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to do our best to disguise that. This one's quite nice, and we've got, you know, pretty good taper. But this looks like it's a substantial part of the tree, so I can't really remove it as much as I'd like to. It feels very, very solid. Let's just do a bit of digging around behind there. I think if I take that off, let's have a look. You know what you really should do? When you're repotting, you should always improve, particularly with deciduous trees, always improve the nabari. Very, very important. That is not a good, it is not a good position for that root. And I really would like to remove it. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to take it off because it's in a completely the wrong position. It's coming straight across the front of the tree in the wrong direction. It's coming from it's left to right. Really, it should be going away. There's nothing much I can do. There are some small roots on this side, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave those to grow. But I'm going to saw this off here. Take a good look at it. There it is. That. Because the front of the tree is here. This is the front of the tree, and this is going right across the front. That's nice. This is okay. And again, we've got a you know a part of the tree which is coming away in the right direction. But this has to come off. I've got to take it off. It's a bit radical, but it needs to be done because a deciduous tree, so much of it is about the nabari.